Hello, my name is Ruth Welter. I'm Vice President Strategic Alliances at Colt Technology Services. Thank you for joining us today for this case study session. Our industry is changing and the old ways of working are no longer good enough in this fast-moving world. Many companies are using other carriers, networks outside their own reach in order to connect their customers. So quoting is a regular interaction between these companies. Picking up a phone or sending an email has been and still is a normal way to ask for and exchange quotes across companies, but not an efficient one. Now, the Colt IQ Network is the second largest Ethernet network globally. We have over 900 connected data centers, well over 29,000 connected enterprise buildings, and a huge volume of sites close to our network that can easily be brought on it. This means that we need to give our strategic alliances partners a quick and easy access to network information and pricing without relying on manual interventions. APIs are one of the biggest talking points in our industry, and there are good reasons to look for that automation processes. In our 2021 cloud research, 56% of senior IT decision makers said that API adoption was key to them hitting their cloud and business goals. A TM Forum survey from the start of 2021 asked cloud service providers for their top drivers for API integration. 87% of them said reducing cost, 74% said reducing complexity. At Colt, we have been leading the way on API standardization and adoption for many years. And we are doing this as a strategic part of our vision to become the most customer-oriented business in our industry. By making things quicker and easier, it saves time for both sides and makes the processes much more efficient. This gives us time back to work with our strategic alliances partners on how to better help them on their end customer projects, and for our sales teams to really invest into the relationship. BT and Colt have been close partners for many years now. Last year, we looked at the number of quote requests that we are exchanging, and we agreed that there has to be a better and more efficient way. Our objective was to help BT win more business by better utilizing Colt's global assets, and to ensure that automation does the thinking within the quoting processes, instead of relying on the impossible task of anyone who could know every asset from all BT suppliers in order to build the best customer solution. It's my pleasure to introduce Rachna Kedilaya from BT to talk about our joint innovation and the results that it drives for them after just 10 months.
Hello, I'm Rachna Kedilaya. I'm a director at BT Global, managing all of BT Global's network connectivity services portfolio, the largest part of our portfolio, really, the offering for our customers. Our strategy is to build a global cloud connectivity marketplace, which brings together not only our own network, but our partner networks, fabric providers, NFVs, etc., in a seamless, automated, digital way for our multinational enterprise customers, the core of BT Global's customers. We have an API-first strategy to connect to all our partners to enable this ecosystem play. We are going after every single connectivity supplier around the world that has quality APIs to integrate with them. We have launched nearly 35 this year for pricing alone, including with Colt, which is one of our key partners, SFR in France, Swisscom, Telstra and Optus in Australia, IGN in 13 LATAM countries, NOS in Portugal, to just name a few others. We actually urge more of our telco partners to develop quality APIs covering the end-to-end journey, pricing, ordering, as well as in-life management for our mutual benefit and that of our customers. BT's quoting systems obtain service availability and pricing in real time from Colt's APIs. Whenever there's a customer request in a location, it identifies whether it's a fiber-lit building or it's a near-net site, and what is the latest BT negotiated Colt rate card for these services. So what it essentially does is gets accurate real-time pricing for a location. Connectivity is a very location-dependent play, so for a location, it gets the latest information for our customers, so we can respond to customer requests very quickly. Like I mentioned, the standout benefit is real-time accurate pricing with zero manual intervention. So it boosts our responsiveness and helps our customers become more agile as well. The latest, most competitive and accurate rate cards will always be available through us for our customers, through the APIs. If Colt changes the coverage of any of its products, example, it extends fiber into any new buildings, which we know that you're always doing, that information will flow straight through to us and then on to our customers in real time with no manual intervention required or time lag required. So speed, agility, and lower cost whenever API services are deployed. That's the benefit we're going after. Or nearly all the countries where you have them. So 13 countries API'd with Colt, covering Ethernet and Intranet, and Austria, Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Singapore, UK, to just name a few. Colt has been a pleasure to work with, really. It's been a great working relationship across the both commercial and technical teams, so very responsive and obviously very technically competent. So Colt is one of the leaders in the space, and it's been a pleasure working with them. Thank you. Just on the API side alone, we want to progress this integration into ordering so that you can have real-time ordering taking place right from our customer portals into Colt, whenever you have the services available in the location, as well as in live services in terms of ticketing, for example, so that there's no requirement for any manual intervention to log the ticket, to follow up. That's what we want to work towards. So we are looking forward to having Colt with us on the journey to deliver those real-time automation as well as superior experience for our customers.
Thank you, Rashna. It has been a pleasure working so closely with BT and to see the success so far. We've learned a lot from the process implementing the API together with BT, and it's encouraging to see the positive impact it has on our joint business. It's also giving us valuable insight into regional customer demand. The API-based quoting allows us to spot growth regions where more quotes are being requested, and we can feed these information into Colt's network expansion plans. Used in the right way, APIs have the potential to deliver significant efficiency and cost savings across supply chain and buying cycles. One additional example for best practice how technologies helps the business is within the invoicing and settlement process. We've been working together with our partners Vodafone and PCCW Global and a blockchain company Clear to create a shared view of the service inventories that we provide to each other. This allows us to ensure real-time alignment between the inventories, and it enables a timely and accurate settlement by using a decentralized blockchain-based platform. For Colt and our partners, this means that we are saving time, delivering more accurate billing, and removing the risk of human error within these processes. This new platform has the potential to make a massive difference to manage devices across complex networks in a reliable and in an efficient way. Our work with BT on API and with Vodafone and PCCW on blockchain has shown the significant benefits that these technologies can deliver to our industry. These approaches on API and on blockchain benefit from scale. The more companies contribute to further standardization and use of API and blockchain, the more we can benefit from efficient processes, reduced time to market, and better customer experience. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our story on API together with BT and on blockchain. And please reach out to the core team if you'd like to find out more. Thank you.